Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is KDP Franklin, and in this video today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to create a KDP account for yourself. So for those of you who want to earn passive income, one of the best things you can do for yourself is create a KDP account for yourself and start publishing ebook content, book, and many others. So all you just need to do is to see how you can be able to sign up and get started for yourself. So the very first thing you need to do right now is to go to your Google Chrome. Just go to Google, just type KDP. Just type KDP, Amazon KDP, AmazonKDP.com, and once you click on AmazonKDP.com, it will take you to this very next page in which you are seeing right now, in which you see save and login. All you just need to do is to click on, once you click on sign up, all you do is to bring you to this very next page in which you are seeing right now. The very first thing you need to do is to click on sign up. So if you have an account earlier, all you just need to do is to click on sign in. But since you don't have an account, the very first thing you need to do is to click on this sign up button, and then it will take you to the page in which you need to sign up. It will bring you to this very next page where you need to put in your information. You put in your name, you put in your email, you put in your password, you put in your password again, and then you now create an account for yourself. So let's do that together, as I'm going to be putting in my name here so that I will get started, and I'll be using one of my accounts here to sign up. So let me just use my email address. Okay, let me just use these. Okay, that's the password. I'm going to create a password right now. Create right now. All I have to just do is click on create an account. It will take me to the very next page where it will now have me to authenticate some puzzles. So let me just solve this puzzle right here so I can save this account. Okay, so this is the puzzle that I'm solving here. So I'll click on solve, and here they say solve this puzzle to protect your account. Pick the shadow that matches the icons at the top. Pick the shadows that matches the icon at the top. So I will just pick a shadow right here that matches the top at the top. Okay, I'll click on this. It says done. Then they ask me to click another one. Okay, then so done. What next? Okay, let me click on this. This is the third one, and okay, what I'm to do here right now, the next thing is to click on this. Then I think it remains one. Okay. And so guys, after you must have solved the puzzle on which KDP has provided, all you just need to do right now is to put in the OTP that will be sent to your email account. So I'm going to do that by putting in the code or the OTP that will have been sent to my email account. This is the email that was sent. So I'm just going to copy this code right here. I'm going to copy it and then put it on my, I'm just going to put it right here. So let me just put the OTP right now, then click on verify. So now they're asking me to put in my mobile number, and this is what I'm going to do right now. So let me put in my mobile number right here and see how it goes. So I'm going to choose my country. Let me choose my country right here. And my country is Nigeria. So wherever country you are, you can be able to create this account. So all you have to do right now is to put in my country number. So guys, after I have inputted my phone number, the next thing I have to do is to click on add my number. So I'll click on add a number. So I'll click on add mobile number, and an OTP has been sent. So I'm going to put the OTP that was been sent right now. Let me just go and put it. So once I put in the code, the next thing I'll click on create account. So it's loading up to take me to the very next page right now. So I'm waiting for it to load up, and as you can see the instruction that is given to me right here. So you're going to have to read all through this information, and then you now click on agree. So take your time go through this information so that your account can be created. And as you can see right now, my account has been created and we still have one simple step to do. So my account has been created, fine, but we need to complete this step. As you can see here, so your account information is incomplete. To publish a book, you will be needing to complete this. So I have to click on it. Once I click on update now, it will bring me to this very next page where it says that I should verify my two-step verification. So I have to input my number again. Just do all of these things and your account will be ready to go. So I will just put in this number right now, and then an OTP will be sent again. So I'll put in the OTP that has been sent to me again right here. So I've inputted the OTP, so I have to click on continue right now, and it's loading up right now. So it will take me to the very next page where I have to put in some vital information about myself. So now this is where the main deal is. This is where you need to make sure that you put in all your information as you have in your ID card or information verification. So all you just need to do right now is to put in your date of birth, put in your country, and you go down and then you put in other information that are required. I'll show you how to do it, especially for those of you who are in Nigeria. All you need to do is to follow through as I'm going to show you all of these things right now. So when it comes to business type, you click on individual. Just click on individual account. So now you put in your date of birth. When it comes to this area, after you must have put in your date of birth, the next thing you need to do is to select your country. So I'll select my country, which is Nigeria. So do the same. Select your country, Nigeria. I'll select my country. So wherever you are, all you just need to do is to select your country. Whether you're in Ghana, you're in any country, just select your country. So I'll click on Nigeria here. I'll click on Nigeria. Then now once I click on Nigeria, you see all the information will appear where I have to put in my name, I have to put in my address, my city, my postal code. So for those of you who don't know your postal code, all you just need to do right now is just to go to Google out your postal code, and it will be applied for you. So I'll fill in this information right now. So guys, after putting in this information, the next thing you need to do is for you to go down, and then you have to tell us where your bank is. So my bank is in the United States, which is my PayPal account. So for those of you who don't have a PayPal account, all you just need to do is to go to my channel, and you will see where I created a PayPal account. I will leave the link of this particular video in the description box. So do well to go to and see how you can be able to create it and then get started and fill in this information. So my account is in the United States, so the account type is check. So I'll click on check, then I'll have to put in my information right now. So I'll put it very fast now. So guys, once you have been able to put in all your information, your bank detail, the next thing you need to do is to click on add, as you can see on my screen right now. Just click on this add account, and once you click on the add account, your information will be verified and all of that. So as you can see here, the information is already verified in my account. As you can see, they say you are set up to receive payments for sale across Amazon Marketplace. So my account has been set up. So the next thing I have to do is to come to this tax information. This is where the main deal is. This is where a lot of people miss it out, or a lot of people get tired when they come here. So follow through as I'm going to show you what to do right now. So all I have to do is to click on save and continue, and then I'll come here now and now put in my information. Now this is the information they are asking you. They're asking you what is your what's your tax identification class. It's on individual, just leave it like that it is. And the next question they are asking you, are you a US citizen or a permanent resident or other residence alliance? I'll click on no, I'm not a US citizen. Then the next thing they are asking me right now is if this account is being held by someone. They say, are you acting as an intermediary? I'll click on no again, and now this is where another information will come out where you have to put in your information detail. Just leave it the way it is right here, and then when it comes to this down area here, you see where they say put in your team value. All you just need to do is to put in your NIN information here, and that's all. Just put in your NIN number, your NIN verification number, just put it there, and then you are set to go. So guys, once you have been able to put in all this information, ensure that you select your country region in this particular area, select your country, input, and then once you come down here, you put in your NIN number in this particular area. Once you do that, all you just need to do is to click on next. So once you click on next, it will take you to the next page here where it's saying that you should confirm your residence, and it's Nigeria. So all you just need to do is to click on confirm, and you can now move ahead. So as you can see right here, these are the information you need to do. You need to come and sign, put in your signature by agreeing to this information here. So all you just need to do is to click on agree to this information, and then you put in your name as your signature, and then you come here, put in the date as it's put there, then you click on save and preview. So all you just need to do right now, you must have done all these things to preview your information that you have put in, and then see how your account is looking like. So once you have been able to see all of these things, you are good to go, and you can now save information that you have. So all you just need to do right now is just to click on information, and you can see here they say everything is validated and your account is ready, so you can exit for this particular interview. So you can exit and then go back to your main account. So this is how you can be able to create your KDP account. And all I have to do right now, I can decide to go back to my bookshelf and see how my account is looking like. My account is already ready. So as you can see here, all my account has been created and every information has been approved. So the next thing we need to do right now is to start creating our ebook. So we'll get started with that in my next video, where I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to start creating your own ebook and get started with it. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The only way you can be able to show some love. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and see you on my next video. Peace.